Hi, this is Dr. Derek. I'm here at a seminar, a chiropractic seminar that is focusing and discussing on how to help my patients decrease stress and pull it out of their body. You know, stress, they used to think that stress was just all in the mind, but recent research and studies have demonstrated that stress actually gets stuck in the body. I mean, molecularly in the cells, it gets stuck in the body. And so, for example, let's say you're nervous about something. Why don't you get butterflies in the stomach? There's a manifestation of stress. Well, let's say you have a big speech to give and you get this little lump in your throat. That's also an example of how stress gets stuck in the body. So in this technique that I'm learning, it actually talks about how to identify what stressor is creating which pain or what symptom that you're experiencing, and if there's an association with that, you can identify the specific emotion and stress and then actually help the person process it so it doesn't have that negative charge on their body. Because we know that once stress gets stuck in the body, it can create any symptom: pain, brain fog, hormonal imbalance, rashes, anything. Stress is associated with that. And I was thinking, I can't pass on this information that I'm learning at the seminar, but I can give you some tips about what you can do to help reduce stress in your life. And so, you know, you may or not be undergoing stress right now, but whether you are or not, I think it's a good idea that every day you spend at least 5 minutes in contemplation, thinking about just your life, thinking about how things are going well, what things can improve. And in that process, you may discover that there is a stressor that's affecting you and you have not addressed it. And so that's the first thing I recommend you do. Second, I would recommend that once you identify it, then you want to address the problem. Don't put it off. Figure out, okay, what do I need to do to solve this issue? It may be a financial issue, it may be a relational issue, it may be something that has to do with personal or business, whatever it is. Figure out what that is and what you can do. What's the next step that you can do to help resolve that problem? And then the third thing I advise you to do is implement. We know what we need to do, but if we don't implement and take action, it will just create more stress. Because what is that? It's procrastination. And procrastination is often a big fuel for more stress in our life, and people procrastinate, and it's like not taking out the garbage, and things accumulate, and it can lead to major health problems and issues. So I hope those tips have been helpful. I look forward to using this information and helping you get better, and I hope you have a fantastic week. This is Dr. Derek signing off.
This is Vicki. I've been coming to Derek Taylor for quite a few years right now, and I just want to let you know how amazing the treatments are. And I have to tell you, a lot of times I come in here, it's not physical, it's not chemical, and I hate it when it's emotional because that's the toughest part to fix. But I will say this, people don't take into consideration how emotional blocks can cause your body to get derailed and to incorporate sickness in every cell in your body. So when I come here, Derek will test me and the muscle testing, and I'll leave here completely cleared. My brain is not foggy, I'm cleared. I'm not stressed. Sometimes I feel like I'm all low and sometimes I feel I'm too high. And he puts me right into balance through my emotions. And it could be something as simple as I'm picking up on grief from a friend. That is blocking something in my body, what I don't know, but it's causing sickness. It causes my thyroid to go off. It causes me to lose my hair. It causes all kinds of crazy symptoms. And then I get anxious. And then what does that do? It just keeps snowballing. I highly recommend that you take into consideration the emotional aspects of your body, and it beats going to therapy because this pinpoints it in seconds, and I don't have to go there and talk to somebody about, oh, woe is me. I try to get Derek to come to my pity party. He just doesn't do it. And you know, I leave here feeling good and strong. I just wanted to share that with you.